Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 8th, 2022. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. Only 5 of them I will solve. And today's newspaper, the daily news. Let me look. The daily news. Well, it's still about the Ukraine. Yes, it's still about Ukraine, and a lot of refugees. I believe now 2 million people are refugees. Yes, refugees. Yes. First it was 1 million, now 2 million people on the run for their lives. And yeah. But let me solve these puzzles. And yeah, we are still talking about the war, and because indirectly it also hurt us, because all the prices of the gas or gasoline are twice as much. Yes, twice as much. And yeah, all the prices in the supermarket, the groceries are too high. Yes, too high. So it will affect us, the war. Anyway, let me continue with this puzzle. This will be 4226. Yeah, 4226. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. 3 and 8. How about? Okay. Alright. Which number shall I pick? Alright. Okay. Well. Come on. Why it's taking too long? Where's the opening? We have a 5 in this row. 5 in the middle rows, and the row below. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see a 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. Four numbers. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. Look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the third row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this third column for the number 6. Alright, 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column. So no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So what are those missing numbers in the middle row? We have a 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, the 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Let me mark those 3 numbers, 4, 6, 8. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square, other numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. How about yeah. I'm thinking. 9. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Done. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 8. So 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this second row, so no 7 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 8, I've marked those 4, 6, 8. We have a 6 now, so 4 and the 8. We have a 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 1 number left now in this column for number 1. Yes, 1 is missing. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2, 4, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2. How about the 3 in this column? The 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Then. How about the 6 in the third row? 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Okay. How about a 9 in this row? 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Overlooked 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Let me see. How about 5 and 8, 5 and 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 here in the last column, so no 5 in this box. The only place left for the 5 in the first row should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 8. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this second row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. Alright, so we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Alright. Then. How about 8 in the last column? 8 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 1. Now we have 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this 2 stars puzzle. Sudoku Medium. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes. I've collected these numbers, analyzing those. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have here the 7, 8, and 9. 7, 8, and a 9. 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. The 6, 1, 2. 6, 1, 2. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No pairs. I complete. We have here I complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No pairs. I believe second time that I have seen that. Maybe I should check this puzzle. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. This question I need to check. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the other 5 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.